Take command of the road in the 2005 Chevrolet Tahoe. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, front dual-zone air conditioning, and more. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.